Hi guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I'm going to be doing a tutorial on this very beautiful festive makeup look. It is so glamorous and at the same time it's so wearable as well. You can literally wear it to any festival and also for wedding occasions. So before I begin with the makeup, I'm just going to do some skincare and I'm using this Mamaearth Ubtan face wash. This face wash has an Ubtan paste like consistency and it's very creamy. So it's a hydrating face wash which is not going to dry out your skin, and it makes your skin so smooth and so soft. And when you rinse off the face wash, it provides that instant glow on your skin. I think this is because of the turmeric and saffron in the face wash. Next up, I'm going to be using this Mamaearth by Blemishes face cream. Now this is perfect to even out your skin tone and to even out your complexion because this contains mulberry extract which does the job, and along with that it also contains vitamin C which adds to the glow on your skin. So I'm just applying this on sections of my face at a time and really massaging it into my skin. So that's it for my pre-makeup skincare. Just by following these two easy steps and by using these two products, my skin has become all festive ready. You can already see how much more my skin is glowing after following this routine. So I highly recommend you check both of these products out and try them out for the festive season. If you want radiant skin like mine, you can shop for these products on Amazon, Nykaa and Flipkart, and also on Mamaearth's website or their app. And if you use my coupon code, that is Riya 2021, you'll get a 20% off. Next, I'm using a stick foundation which has a very sheer coverage because my skin is already glowing so much and I don't want the glow to be hidden under the foundation. So I'm using a very sheer one and then blending it out with this foundation brush. Next, I'm using a brightening concealer and applying it on my under eye region as well as on my lid to cover up the dark circles and to make my face look more awake. I'm not going to be applying the concealer on the high points of my face because I don't want a brightening effect on the rest of my face. My skin is already glowing a lot and that's why I'm just sticking to the under eye region for my concealer. Next, I'm filling in my eyebrows very lightly using an eyebrow powder and then brushing off the eyebrow powder to disperse out the product. For eyeshadow, I'm using one of my favorite palettes and I'm picking up that light pink color and applying it as a transition color on the outer corners of my eyes and blending it into my crease. Next, I'm using that very beautiful gold shimmer color and spraying it with some fixing spray to intensify the pigmentation of the color and applying it all over my lid. You can go for gold, rose gold or silver depending upon your outfit. Next, I'm using that dark pink color to add some depth to the eyeshadow and applying it to the outer corners and blending it into my crease. And using the same color, I'm going to define my lower lash line as well. Now this step is completely optional, but I love doing winged eyeliners. You can also go for a simple eyeliner or apply some kohl or apply a colored eyeliner. It really depends. And lastly, I'm applying some lashes to finish off the eye makeup look and combining my natural lashes with the falsies using a mascara. I'm using some blush to add some color back to my face and I'm applying it on my cheeks, on my chin as well as on my nose to balance it out. Next up, I'm using this liquid highlighter and oh my god, look at the pigmentation of that one. I feel liquid highlighters are so much better than powder highlighters because they just make you look so much more glamorous instantly. So I'm just applying the highlighter directly on my skin with my fingers and blending it all out, and look at the amount of drama, look at the amount of glamour it's added to the makeup look. Oh my god, it's looking so beautiful. So I'm just applying the highlighter on all of the high points of my face and it's literally transforming the makeup look into a glamorous one. I'm using the same highlighter to also highlight the inner corners of my eyes, and lastly I'm finishing off with this pink nude lipstick which I felt was a little too much with the look, so I decided to tone it down by using a concealer, and after blending I felt like it was a little too less, so I went in with another lipstick. We all mix lipsticks, don't we? So that's it for the makeup look. I'm just finishing off by wearing some jewelry, applying a bindi, and yeah, that's it for the final look. I love how beautiful and glamorous this look turned out, and yet it is so wearable for the festive season. If you plan on recreating this look, do tag me on your Instagram recreations. I would love to see them. And also I'm planning on doing a lot of one brand makeup looks, so let me know which brand you'd like to see first. Also, if you haven't tried out Mamaearth skincare products yet, I highly recommend you do so because they are so amazing. They're the reason why my skin is glowing so much, and of course the highlighter also. But I highly recommend you check out Mamaearth Ubtan face wash and Mamaearth Bye Bye Blemishes face cream. They are the perfect two-step skincare routine for the festive season. It's so quick and so easy to do, and you'll get instant glowing skin with the help of these two products alone. I recommend you shop these products from Mamaearth's website because every single time that you place an order on their website, they link your order to a tree that they plant. So it's a very environment friendly brand, and it's a plastic positive brand as well because they recycle more than 240 metric tons of plastic every single month. So I highly recommend you check out their products. And yeah, that was my video for today. If you enjoyed watching it, please give it a big fat thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel if you're new here. Follow me on Instagram. And with that, it's a wrap for now. I shall see you super soon.